Day 8 of the hush money trial. Here's Trump arriving at court.
Mr. Trump, are you concerned about the contempt hearing next week? You planning to testify, Mr. Trump?
Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate it. I want to start by wishing my wife, Melania, a very happy birthday. It'd be nice to be with her, but I'm in a courthouse for a rig trial. It's a rig trial. Terrible. But we're doing very well in this rig trial. Everybody knows it. Yesterday was a big day, but I do have to begin by wishing Melania happy birthday. She's in Florida. I'll be going there this evening after this case finishes up, this horrible, unconstitutional case. When it finishes up, we have a report that was just put out by House Judiciary on the District Attorney's Office. This was done by Congress, and so I guess it just came out a little while ago, a few moments ago. I haven't seen it yet, haven't read it, but it should be interesting. I think yesterday went very well in this courthouse. It should be over. The case is over. You heard what was said, and the case should be over. But you'll have to make that determination. I think we have a judge that will never allow this case to be over in a positive way. He's highly conflicted, the most highly conflicted judge I've ever seen. And yesterday, I think in the Supreme Court having to do with immunity, I heard the argument was brilliant. I listened to it last night. I thought it was really great. I thought the judge's questions were great. And all presidents have to have immunity. It has nothing to do with me. Absolutely nothing. All presidents have to have immunity. You don't have a president, certainly not a president that the founders wanted. So we have another day of court in a freezing courthouse. It's very cold in there, on purpose, I believe. They don't seem to be able to get the temperature up. It shouldn't be that complicated, but we have a freezing courthouse, and that's fine. That's just fine. Let them keep handing it out. There's a rigged trial. Thank you very much, everybody.
You're not going to jail, Mr. Trump. You think the keep getting cold to make you uncomfortable?
We're just ready for Rhona's birthday.
Did you sleep with Karen McDougal?
We're at the end of the second week of Trump's criminal trial. Today, prosecutors and the defense team wrapped up their questioning of David Pecker, the former tabloid publisher, who was involved in 2 hush money schemes on Trump's behalf. Trump's lawyer Emil Bove led the cross-examination of Pecker, whose reliability and memory as a witness he tried to call into question. Pecker responded heatedly at one line of questioning regarding his deal with prosecutors. "I've been truthful to the best of my recollection," he said. Then it was time for Trump's former assistant, Rhona Graff, to take the stand. She was the second person called, though only briefly. She testified that she saw Stormy Daniels, the adult film star, at the center of the hush money scheme, outside Trump's office. She then told the defense team under cross-examination that Daniels could have been there due to casting for The Apprentice. Then Gary Farrow, a former banking associate of First Republic Bank, was the third person to take the stand today. His testimony centered on Michael Cohen's efforts to procure $130,000 from a line of credit, which he allegedly intended to use to pay off Daniels. Here's Trump leaving court.
So thank you very much. This is 8 days that we've all been sitting in this courthouse. This is all a Biden indictment. It's in order to try and win an election, political opponent, and nothing like this has ever happened. 8 days. As you know, the economy's falling apart now. Now you're seeing it, very little growth. It's going to get worse. Oil prices are going up. You have the college campuses all over closed down. Our country's going to hell. And we sit here day after day after day, which is their plan, because they think they might be able to eke out an election, but I doubt it, because the poll numbers are very good for us. I just want to say that I've invited Biden to debate. He can do it anytime he wants, including tonight. I'm ready. Here we are. I invited him to the courthouse, and he has tied up in, its administration. This is all being done through Washington. It's all a well-coordinated attack on a political opponent. But I'm here, I'm ready, willing, and able, and if he wants, I'll do it on Monday night, Tuesday night, or Wednesday night. We'll be in Michigan, a state that he's destroyed because of the auto industry. We're not going to have any jobs left in Michigan, no auto jobs left in Michigan. They're all going over to China and other places with this ridiculous EV mandate, electric vehicle mandate. But we're willing to do it Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, or Friday night on national television. We're ready. Just tell me where. We'll do it at the White House. That would be very comfortable, actually. But you tell me where. But we're ready. He's obviously not showing up now. We heard nothing. But he said today that, I'd love to debate, but he won't debate. I don't think he'll debate. Maybe he will. Maybe he will. I'm not sure he has a choice. But that's the story. So here we are. We're ready, willing, and able. And we don't see him, and I don't think he'll be here. But maybe next week he'll do it. I doubt it, but maybe next week. So I just want to thank everybody for being here. I know you have to suffer through this like everybody else. Nothing has come. This is a case that should have never been brought. Every legal scholar, every legal expert, Andy McCarthy, Jonathan, Andy, every single one. Jonathan Turley came out with a scathing report on this trial today. Andy McCarthy, scathing report. Mark Levin, can't believe this is happening in our country. There's no case here. There's no case whatsoever. It's a disgrace. We have a conflicted judge, and it shouldn't be happening. Not in this country. Thank you very much.
Do you think you beat Biden in a debate?
That's it for Day 8. Thanks for watching. If you want more updates on this trial, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.